Alright, so as we have seen some of the tools in Modify tab, we have already covered move, copy, and offset. So let's move on to the rotate tool that we have. So basically you can rotate your object around a base point. So let's see how we can do this. And if you can see, I have a toilet seat with the flush tank right over here. I want to move it into my bathroom space right on this part of my drawing. So just select this, then we go for move, select your base point, then I can come over here and I can keep it anywhere. Let's say I keep it here for now. Press enter. Now let's zoom in a bit in that area, and if you want to rotate it like this way, or you can do different orientation right over here. So let's go for rotation. So I'll select it, go for rotate, specify my base point, and you can see I can easily rotate my object within my drawing area. Very easy, right? Nothing fancy. You can keep it here. Now for rotation, make sure your polar tracking is on, and you can set your tracking increment, so you can make it 45, 30, and I like to keep it on 90, so that's perfect. So yeah, let's move it a little bit uh, towards up. We'll grab it over here, we can do it over here. Yeah, that's a perfect spot, but let's undo that and let's move it. I think, and then we can move it a little bit to the left, like so. So I think that's the perfect spot. We have some gap over here that is required for now, and yeah, that's it for the rotate. Also you can do one thing, that is you can increase the size of this thing. So how we can do that, we can actually select it, then we can go for scaling, and then you can specify the base point, maybe midpoint or something. I'll specify this as my base point, and as you can see, as I drag my mouse while holding the left mouse button, you can increase or decrease the size of your object. Let's say if I make it this much big, that doesn't make sense in this drawing, so I'll just undo that. So that's it with the rotate and scale command. I'll mostly we use the scale to convert the units. So basically I have posted another video where I have converted metric imperial to metric, and where we used the scale option, right? So that's it for this video.